Hello, Open Sky Divers. Are you getting used to some of these cool things I'm sharing with you on Open Sky? This is a departure here. Yes, I know I'm a cook, but I'm also somebody on television that has to be made up to look my best. And when I do that, there's a makeup I love. It's called Jouer, and I love it because it's completely natural. The botanicals are all there for healthiness. I get real itchy and weird if I have stuff on my face when I'm cooking that isn't natural. So I'm in love with this makeup. The artist who does the makeup starts making me up every single day, and I start to smell her arm as it comes by me. And I am intoxicated by the scent, and I say to her, "What are you wearing?" And she says, "Actually, Jouer just came out with a body butter and an oil." And that's what I'm here to talk to you about, because I'm not like a beauty queen or anything. I'm really not. Anyway, she put some on my wrist, and all day long when I was working, when I got a scent of it, it made me feel so good, so fresh, so amazing that I started using it. And now I am obsessed by it, and I stopped using my scent that I've been using for 10 years that I loved. I always just love natural. Natural, natural, natural. So here's what happened. This is what she had me. It's the body oil, and it's gardenia hibiscus. Oh, I cannot tell you how happy it makes me. It's jasmine. It's honeysuckle. It's incredible. It's not sweet. It's just super, super natural. So there's that. And then there's this body cream, which, you know, not all body creams with scents work so well. This brings that whole natural feeling to your body as well. It's nice and creamy. And then I have here in my box, this is the offering, by the way, Open Skyers, or skydivers as I like to call you now. I can't get this out. Oh well, I don't have to get it out because I'm going to show you. It's right here on my desk. This is the candle. I have one on my desk and I have one at my bath. And I'm always lighting it. So now this scent completely surrounds me. And I'm not somebody to really go on and on and on about beauty products. That's just not my thing. I'm usually in the kitchen. But I think that when you have a scent that makes you feel good and has such a fresh aroma to it, that it's something that you got to pay notice to. So natural, amazing. Jouer. You get the oil, you get the cream, and you get the candle. And I have to show you one more thing, this little makeup kit that I took from my purse, because I wanted to show you what I do when I'm on the road. And that is, I take the cream and I mix it with the oil and I put it in a little bottle, and then I just put a little bit like this on, and it instantly makes me feel happy, refreshed, as if I'm, you know, at the beach in a garden, but it's not too perfumey, and that's what I love about it. So check it out. This is a great offer here today.